You've probably seen these ads. Someone can steal your house, your actual house, while you're inside it, asleep, wearing your slippers. And their fix? $9.99 a month, forever. That's $120 a year to be notified. So, can someone actually steal a whole house? Annoyingly, kind of. And here's the part that should genuinely bother you. They don't need a crowbar, they don't need a moving truck. They need one piece of paper and a pen. And wait till you see how easy this is. Okay, story time. This is your house, and this is your deed, the paper that says it's yours. It lives in a filing cabinet at the county office. Now meet Greg. Greg is a criminal, but honestly, Greg barely has to try. Monday morning, Greg downloads a deed form off the internet for free. He types in your address, he signs your name, badly, with his left hand. Then Greg puts on his one nice shirt, walks into the county office, and hands your deed to the clerk. Now, this is the moment, right? This is where the system catches him. She checks the signature? No, she does not. She checks Greg's ID? Also no. She takes the paper, she stamps the paper, she files the paper. That's the whole job. The county office is not a security system. It's a very slow printer. Congratulations, Greg. On paper, you own a house. And that $9.99 title lock you're paying for? Here's what it does. It watches. That's it. That's the feature. After Greg files, it sends you a text. Hey, someone stole your house. Have a great day. It's a smoke alarm that goes off after the house has burned down. Because here's the actual bug. The system trusts whoever files last. That's it. That's the bug. But somebody actually fixed this, and it's almost stupidly simple. What if the paper just couldn't be secretly swapped? Every change has to be signed by you, with a key only you have, stamped with the exact second it happened, out in the open where everyone can see it. And here's why Greg can't fake it. The paper isn't in one cabinet anymore. It's copied onto thousands of computers at once. So to forge it, Greg would have to break into all of them at the same time, with the right key, which only you have. Good luck, Greg. And this isn't a someday idea. It's real, right now. The country of Georgia put more than 1 million property titles on a system like this since 2016. Estonia made their land records impossible to secretly change. Sweden ran the numbers. A sale that took months took hours. So picture it here. You buy a house. Your name gets signed in with your key and locked. Greg shows up with his fake deed and his one nice shirt. Rejected. You never signed it. The computers know it. All of them. And that $9.99 a month? Gone. There's nothing left to watch. Your house sits on a paper nobody can fake. That's the whole idea. Your house, on a paper nobody can fake. Blue Ridge Treasury. Subscribe. A new blockchain idea every week.